plywood, about 70% comes from either China, Latvia, or Brazil. We don't have a lot of local industries to produce those building materials. What we're doing is to try to address this problem by supporting small and medium enterprises to adopt innovation to build houses. My name is Alejandro Vélez Reyes. I'm an associate professor in digital design in architecture in the School of Art, Design and Architecture at the University of Plymouth. We are the research counterpart of a company called Open Systems Lab. They design and build a building system called WikiHouse. WikiHouse is a system based on blocks made of timber produced in manufacturing facilities that you can use to build better quality housing. Housing is hard. Housing is really difficult, but especially housing that responds to the needs of communities, right? It's a complex ecosystem of people. So what we're doing here today is to bring together some external partners to come together to discuss our research, catch up in terms of what we're doing, and follow on next steps for our own research program. Well, this afternoon we're going to visit the Wood Lab in Dartington. They resource all their timber no more than 5 miles away from their workshop.
My name's Al Tempest. This is Wood Lab. We're essentially trying to distribute wooden products to as many people as possible, made from timber that would otherwise be discarded. We hope the real-world impact of this project is going to be people being able to visit a hub to them locally and come away with a product that has been made from local materials at an affordable price.
I'm Amber Richardson. I am WikiHouse Project's lead, and I'm also an architect. The WikiHouse was created to empower communities and individuals looking to take control over the housing crisis. We did that by being the first creators of a digital set of construction components. Anybody can get hold of those, get those printed, assembled, and essentially you've got the option to then build your own home, which is amazing. It will be really fascinating, I think, to work with Wood Lab and get their sort of feedback on what that would be like for them as a workshop transitioning from traditional woodworking technology to contemporary methods.
Projects like this really want to achieve is to facilitate the green and the digital transitions. We have a lot of societal needs around net zero and around housing, and projects like this help us really think strategically about how to develop better built environments for the future.